Turning now to news at home. A biotech company in Massachusetts said today it has cloned a human embryo. The scientists say their ultimate goal is not to create human beings, but rather embryonic stem cells. That in itself is controversial. ABC's Dan Harris has this report.
It took a year and a half of painstaking, top-secret work at a small biotech company in Massachusetts called Advanced Cell Technology. None of the embryos involved in the research developed past the early stages, but the hope is that eventually cloned embryos can develop enough to provide large amounts of stem cells. Stem cells are the body's utility players. They can grow into any type of cell.
The concept is that we could do for the human body what is so easy to do for an automobile, make replacement parts.
Put very simply, what the scientists did was inject DNA from an adult human cell into a human egg, which then grew into an embryo. It may still be years away, but scientists say human embryonic cloning could help patients with a variety of conditions, spines and hearts, to diabetes and cancer. While this may be a medical breakthrough, it is definitely an ethical dilemma. Some worry the inevitable result is that infertile couples will use human cloning as a way to make babies. A bill banning all forms of human cloning has already passed the House. The author, Congressman and Dr. Dave Weldon, says the researchers who created Dolly first created sheep with severe defects.
If you try to create cloned human beings, you have the real possibility of babies being born with severe birth defects.
The scientists at Advanced Cell Technology, who say they do not support cloning entire human beings, argue the risk of abuse does not outweigh the reward, alleviating human suffering.
And to say, look, we're afraid of the future, and we're afraid of a brave new world, we're afraid to go help these people, would be irresponsible.
By publishing their methods, Advanced Cell Technology admits, despite its best intentions, may have already provided scientists the world over with a human cloning cookbook. Dan Harris, ABC News, New York.